All right, here's the deal. I keep getting a bunch of phone calls to maintain coverage on this story of Laura and Marco, and I can't keep putting myself into danger. This is going to be the last broadcast, so I don't want to hear anything about. Whoa, the whoa. I get down on my broadcasting bench here and whoa. It's something. I can't shoot too long. It's out of control. Out of control. Hold on. Get a shot. I need to get that. See that wind blowing those trees? Look, you can see it in my front. This tree right here. You can see those leaves just out of control. Look at that. Look at the rainfall. Look at how it's flooding the front yard. Look, that's all I can do. I gotta get back inside.